guys, welcome back to DIY Live. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a small indoor plant stand on a budget. So this project cost less than $20, so if you need a new plant stand on a budget, stick around for this video. For this project I'm going to be using a wood round, and I got mine at Hobby Lobby for about $4, and you can see it's just a little basic wood round. This will be the top of my plant stand. I'm also using a wooden dowel. This one is about 1 yard in length, and it's just the right size for the legs of my table. I also got this at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm going to be using these T-braces, and I got these at Home Depot for about $3 a piece. The first thing I'm going to do is make the legs for my plant stand, and I'm using my wooden dowel. I'm going to measure out and mark where exactly I'm going to cut my dowel. That way I know exactly how long each leg is going to be. Like I said, my wooden dowel is 1 yard in length, and that's about 36 inches. So I'm going to use my yardstick here to measure where I want to exactly cut my legs. I do want 3 legs for my stand, so I'm going to mark mine at exactly 12 inches because 36 divided by 3 is 12. That gives me just enough room to make 3 legs from my wooden dowel. So I have my wooden dowel marked where I'm going to cut it, and you will need some type of tool to cut your legs for your stand. If you don't have a tool to cut your wooden dowel, I believe if you get the dowels at a hardware store like Lowe's or Home Depot, they will cut it for you. Unfortunately, if you get it at Hobby Lobby, they won't cut it for you. Okay, I have the legs of my stand ready, and I did call in help to cut my legs because I'm not that great at cutting in a straight line. So if you need help cutting your legs, don't be afraid to ask. Next, I'm going to stain the legs of my stand and the top of my stand. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands, let this dry for a couple of minutes, and then I will be back with you guys. Okay, so the stain is dry, and now I'm going to attach the legs to the top of the plant stand. First, I'm going to attach this T-bracket to my leg. I'm only using 3 legs, so I'm making sure that I'm evenly spacing them out. Okay guys, this is the finished project of my plant stand. It is fully assembled and ready to go to good use. Thanks for watching. Let me know how I did by giving me a thumbs up, and as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIYs.